Okay, so now we want to look at the substitution method. Substitution method of solving your simultaneous equations, right? So I'm going to bring our equations there. 7x plus 4y is equal to 29, equation 1. And then 4x plus 2y is equal to 16. That's equation 2. So what we need to do is, the first thing we need to do is to pick an equation. You can pick equation 1 or pick equation 2. And then in that equation that you pick, you make one of the variables the subject of the formula, right? You make one of the variables the subject of the formula. So let's say I pick equation 2, and then I say I want to make y the subject. Okay, so let me do that on another page. So that's 4x plus 2y is equal to 16. I take 4x the other side, right? So 2y is equal to 16 minus 4x. Then I divide both sides by 2. I'll get y is equal to 16 minus 4x over 2. So this is y expressed in terms of x. Y is actually equal to this whole thing. So I was using equation 2. Now what I do is I go to the other equation, equation 1. Make sure you don't go back to the same equation. I go to the other equation now, equation 1, and then I substitute this whole thing where I had y. So where there was y in equation 1, I take this whole thing and substitute it, right? So equation 1 is 7x plus 4y is equal to 29. I hope that's correct. And then I substitute this whole thing. I remove y and put 16 minus 4x over 2. So 7x plus 4 times 16 minus 4x all over 2 is equal to 29, right? 2 into 4 gives me a 2 there. So 2 cancels off, get a 2 there. So 7x plus 2 times 16 minus 4x is equal to 29. So continue, 7x plus 32 minus 8x is equal to 29. So collect everything in x on one side. So I take these two, that other side, bring 21 this side. 32 minus 29 is equal to 8x minus 7x. Then I'll get 3 is equal to x. So now I found my value of x. Once I find my value of x, I can go to any of those equations and substitute where there was x, right? So I can go to equation 1 or equation 2 and put my value of x as 3. So if I go back to the same equation, 7x plus 4y is equal to 29, it means it's 7 times 3 plus 4y is equal to 29. 21 plus 4y is equal to 29. Take it that side, 21. Get 4y is equal to 29 minus 21. I get 4y is equal to 8. Divide both sides by 4. I get y is equal to 2. So again, I get my same answer. I get my x is equal to 3, and I get my y is equal to 2, right? That's the substitution method. Now let's try the other example. Just to strengthen our understanding, we have 4x minus 2y is equal to 9. We have x plus y is equal to 3. So that's equation 1. That's equation 2. Again, pick any one of the equations, right? And make one of the variables subject of the formula, right? So now I can pick equation 2, where I have x plus y is equal to 3, and I can make my y the subject. So y is equal to 3 minus x. So now that I've established this, I have to go to the other equation. Don't go back to the same equation when it's substitution. You picked equation 2 to come up with this. So don't go back to equation 2. Go to equation 1. In equation 1, where there's y, remove y and replace it with this expression, 3 minus x. So you have 4x minus 2y, okay, that's a y, is equal to 9. So 4x minus 2 times 3 minus x instead of y, 3 minus x is equal to 9. 4x minus 6 plus 2x is equal to 9, because minus 2 times 3, that's minus 6. Minus 2 times minus x gives you a plus 2x. So I take this 6 that side, then these add together, right? 4x plus 2x is equal to 9 plus 6. 6x is equal to 15. Divide both sides by 6. X is equal to 15 over 6, right? And in lowest terms, x is equal to 5 over 2, right? Once I get the 5 over 2, I can substitute that in that equation there, right? X is the same as 5 over 2 there. So 4x minus 2y is equal to 9. 4 times 5 over 2 minus 2y is equal to 9. So 4 times 5 is 20. 20 divided by 2 gives you 10, right? So 10 minus 2y is equal to 9. Take 10 the other side, minus 2y is equal to 9 minus 10. And then minus 2y is equal to minus 1. Divide both sides by minus 2. The minuses cancel off. You get your y is equal to 1/2. Right? So again, you found your answers, right? X is equal to 5 over 2 and y is equal to 1/2. You've done that with the substitution method.